Why does Elon Musk sleep at Tesla's factories?
I sleep on the couch over there. Last time I was here, I actually slept literally on the floor because the couch...
In this video, we're going to show you the reason why Elon Musk, the second richest man on Earth, had to sleep on floors of his own factory.
Room in the factory, but yeah.
You sleep in a conference room in the not finished factory.
Share the secret of how Elon saved the companies from getting bankrupt, and how a person who has not even in the top 10 richest list last year is now at number 2. We will be telling you many facts about Elon Musk which might surprise you. Nobody just gets lucky enough to become one of the world's richest men. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and maturity to reach that level. And Elon Musk has always proved why he deserves to be there. Hello there all. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel. And if you aren't yet, do it right away. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified. So what you are going to listen to now might be a bit shocking, but remember, when we heard the rumor about Elon Musk sleeping at Tesla's factory, it turns out it is more than just talk. The man who can, for real, sleep on beds made of diamonds is in reality sleeping on the chairs and couches of his factory floors. If you're wondering what the reason behind all of this is, look what Elon had to say about it. I feel like I have a great debt to the people of Tesla. The reason I slept on the floor was not because I couldn't go across the road and be at a hotel. It was because I wanted my circumstances to be worse than anyone else at the company. Whenever they felt pain, I wanted mine to be worse. Isn't the man's heart just made of gold? What led to this is that Tesla struggled to ramp up production for Model 3 since it was launched in July 2017. He planned an unprecedented investment in factory robots for the preparations, which he described as the machine that builds the machine. He wanted it to look like Alien Dreadnought, a manufacturing process so futuristic, unstoppable, and cost-effective that it would seem extraterrestrial. But unfortunately, the company missed 2 deadlines for its goal of producing 5,000 per week. In May 2016, as per Musk's estimation, Tesla should have made almost 100,000 to 200,000 Model 3s during the second half of 2017. However, what stressed him out was that Tesla could only make 2,685 Model 3 vehicles in 2017. On July 2nd, the company said it made 5,031 Model 3s during the final week of June and 28,578 during the second quarter, which was comparatively more than it had made in the prior 3 quarters combined. The issue was that Tesla relied too much on automation, or too many robots, too early, and any problem would result in a pause in the whole assembly line. The employees would also work more than they are naturally supposed to, which resulted in stress, exhaustion, burden, and physical and mental health issues. But Musk made sure that he took complete care of his employees' health and facilities soon after that. But sadly, more and more injuries grew, which resulted in a massive loss for Tesla. He sent an all-staff email that stated he would meet every injured staff and provide them with proper medication. He also decided to go down to the production line and perform the same tasks that the other employees were performing. His warm words and actions were quite motivational for the staff, and things finally were stable for a while. It is indeed a grand gesture. So did you subscribe to our channel? Not yet? Do it now, or else you will be missing out on more of our exciting videos coming soon. Moving back to the video. Elon Musk says, "My credibility and the credibility of our whole team was at stake. This shows his respect for his work and his employees, with whom he worked day and night to complete the company's goals." Making matters worse, Tesla suffered a debt of $10 billion and a credit downgrade in March. The company had spent about $1 billion more per quarter on average than it has taken in over the past year. The then announced factory in China might have also contributed to this worsening of the situation. And again, Tesla was running out of cash at a peak time when competitors like Volkswagen, BMW, Daimler, and others also planned to release dozens of electric car models to heat up the game. Those times were miserable for Elon Musk, as back then, the prize for him was enormous if he got the Model 3 right. He would have easily remade a trillion-dollar industry and done more to reduce carbon emissions than any other person on the planet. But it turns out that mass-producing cars was the one challenge that would have defied him. Tesla's reputation and market value, everything was in Elon's hands. He knew how far he'd come from where he'd started, but these times felt like he might lose everything he had worked so hard for. If such loyalty seems extreme, it's partly the result of Elon Musk's reputation for defying odds. Being a self-made millionaire back then, he knew giving up was not a way out. He remembered how he was mocked in 2002 when he founded SpaceX as a 31-year-old software entrepreneur with no aerospace training. How can anyone forget that a 31-year-old's amateur company now launches more rockets year-round than any other company? Mass production of automobiles isn't rocket science. In some ways, it's harder. Cars are comprised of tens of thousands of individual parts, from tiniest to biggest, and have to withstand snow, potholes, and highway speeds, performing flawlessly for years. Having an automobile manufacturing business is a challenge, as they are the largest purchase most people make besides their home. Model S was a successful hit. It received various awards from several automotive and environmental publications and, like the Roadster before, set new benchmarks for what an electric vehicle could achieve. Among other critical advances, the Model S had a range of up to 300 miles and a reduced charging time. Well, thankfully, this is when the miserable struggles retreated, and ever since then, everything has been in favor of the hard-working and decent man. And, of course, there is no doubt that Tesla has got some of the most incredible team of employees. The company delivered nearly 500,000 cars last year in 2020, a stunning achievement for a company that was struggling to manufacture even 100,000 vehicles a few years back and was almost on the verge of bankruptcy. By 2030, Tesla aims to produce 20 million cars a year, 40 times more than what it had in 2020. Tesla, which stands for Tera Electron Volt Energy Superconducting Linear Accelerator, was founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning in San Carlos, California. Although Musk has long been the face of Tesla, he did not join the company until 2004. He invested $30 million into the company and became the chairman of its board of directors. Elon Musk co-founded and led Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. As the co-founder and CEO of Tesla, Elon lands all product design, engineering, and global manufacturing of the company's electric vehicles, battery products, and solar energy products. With all his work and dedication, he has grown the company into an unbeatable one with all the distinguishing features and facilities. Musk is currently the second richest person in the world, beating Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, and following Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. In early January 2021, it was reported that Elon Musk even left Jeff Bezos behind and became the wealthiest person in the world. But that changed soon after, and Jeff stood at the first position again. Musk is now worth $182.9 billion, according to Forbes. So, that was all for this video. Didn't Elon Musk's simplicity and dedication to work just fill our hearts with more and more love and respect for him? Now you know what made Elon Musk sleep on his Tesla factory floor. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you let us know by giving us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do now. Remember, You will be missing out on our videos if you don't get subscribed.